Hey, guess what, man? I meet the greatest comedian, the greatest consummate politician of all. Augie P.
Hold on, I'm next to the greatest cook ever, the man with the pet.
You got hero, right? Okay, who's the fastest cook?
Oh, the man with the pan.
Okay, give everyone a big shot. Come on, a big shot.
Man with the pan.
Take me along. Look at awesome clothes. Hey, who's the fastest and greatest chef?
Man in the pan.
Oh yeah, big shaka! Two of the most beautiful ladies in the world. Hey girls, who's the fastest chef?
The man in the pan.
Big shaka! Welcome to the Man and the Pan. Today I'm gonna do something really exciting. You know, people always ask me, how do you make the salt and vinegar chicken? So I'm gonna show you. It's so fast and simple. All you do is you get your chicken. And you know, the chicken price is so high now, so what I did is I bought these bone-in thighs, right? And the thighs, you have to take out this joint, you know, this bone-in joint. And because it was the cheapest product on the shelf today, so then I take it out and you get one joint like this. So one side here is connected to the hip bone and the other side to the drumstick. Now, what you do is you get a plastic bag, just like this, right? You put in about, I got about a cup of flour over here, and cornstarch. Cornstarch makes it crispier, okay? And I put in about 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. And you kind of like mix it all up in the bag. Then I'll cut it into smaller pieces because it's going to be easier time to cook. Put it in the bag, cut it in pieces, put it in the bag. And a lot of places use drama with the bone-in, but you know me, I rather just use a boneless chicken because that way it's easier to eat. Then you get the chicken in here, you mix it all up. You put on your stove, probably medium heat, and you put in some oil. You know, regular oil, vegetable oil, you can use olive oil, you can use all kinds of oil. If the pan is not hot, the product going to stick to the pan. So you make sure the pan is kind of like smoking hot. In the meantime, I'm going to tell you about this Salt and Vinegar Seasoning. It's our 1916 brand, and you can find it exclusively at KTA. And if you cannot come to KTA, you can order it online. Yeah, I can hear the pan now. Okay, it's like kind of like smoking hot. You grab your chicken, okay, and you fry it. Kind of like I put some skin side down. Kind of like dust it off, not too much flour on your chicken. It's almost like ready to turn over, so you turn over, you cook on both sides. Cook the chicken on both sides. You gotta make sure the chicken gets really crispy and is really well cooked. Okay, I think it's almost done. Okay, get in hand towel, put it inside a pot just like this, right? Let it sit on the hand towel. Put it in the dish, and you grab the seasoning, right? You see the seasoning here? Take a little bit of it out. Pour it on, but you can put any amount you want. Here you go, man. Boneless salt and vinegar chicken. Mmm. 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 Woo. Mmm. It's hot, but it's so good. We'll see you next week on The Man and the Pan. Awesome. See you. Aloha.